How to reroll monopolygo. What you have to do is just to turn on your airplane mode and just click Wi-Fi again. But I cannot turn on my airplane mode because I'm recording right now. Just turn on your airplane mode, and after that, just connect it with Wi-Fi. So, in case you're wondering why a airplane mode, it's because there's a It's because there is some algorithm in this game. If you turn on this airplane mode, and it will give you more chances in rolling the dice. So I'm really late to this trend, but you need to re-roll, or as you can see, airplane mode to pick at a pack. So pick up another pack from a wheel and go again. So it will randomize after each new pack collected. So last night somebody wanted rock on, so I glitched the four gold prices on singles night, even 5 times till it came. So they didn't even reply me to receive the sticker. So yeah, it depends usually. So just connect it with Facebook and connect some dices, and that is how you can re-roll. And also you can get 5K in less than a week if you really want it to. It depends really. You just don't have to spend money in this game.